Hello, people? It is I. You like space, don't you? Of course you do. You've flown in a vast expanse of space yourself. But do you know how it started? Why, of course. Everyone knows about the beginning of the universe, or the Big Bang. The universe now exists, and then it did. But what about the actual process of the Big Bang? What happens when, and what things spawn from it? I'll attempt to elaborate on the Big Bang, even if I am just a stock PNG. Alright, let's start with the name Big Bang. It wasn't exactly a Big Bang, more like a big expansion. Like a balloon being inflated. During the first moment of the universe, the laws of physics doesn't exist. Everything is infinitely dense and infinitely hot. Skipping forward to 10 to the negative 32nd seconds, this is known as the quark era, which, guess what? They are quarks. These quarks are formed in pairs from gluon. These pairs would then destroy each other as soon as they are created. This causes a chain that forms more gluon, which forms more quarks that destroy each other. By the way, I'll be vague on a lot of the factors of the Big Bang, because it's a never-ending rabbit hole. Sorry about that. Back to it. After antimatter and matter collide, there is somehow matter left over from this. We're quickly covering this because the fact that we exist at all is thanks to the matter, so... Good boy. This leads to the natural laws phase of the universe. The universe is now around 1 billion kilometers in diameter, so already massive. The temperature of the universe has now decreased enough to have atoms form without being destroyed instantly. Because of this, hadrons like protons and neutrons can form. Okay, so after all of that, where are we at? Well, the universe is now 1 second old. All of that happened in 1 second. Leading on from that, we're now in the nucleosynthesis era. Things are going to cool down and get slower. Over the next few minutes, atoms will form, which leads to hydrogen, and so on. At around 200 seconds, we get stars and galaxies thanks to the high pressure of the universe. And now we're here. Modern day. This was a brief look at the universe forming as we know it. Now, a lot of things I've left out, like neutron stars, black holes, dark matter, antimatter. It's a lot. But that's most likely how the universe formed. Now, oh, right. I'm forgetting something, ain't I? The whole reason why I made this. What was it again? To explain how the universe would end! What's the point of creation when there's so much more entertaining destruction? Sorry about that. We're gonna, we'll talk about how the universe could end. There are many ways the universe could end, first of which being the Big Crunch, proposed by Russian physicist and mathematician Alexander Friedman. He proposed that if gravity overpowered the expansion of the universe, this would happen. This would create some sort of infinitely dense object. Anyways, we would all be dead. There's another theory leading to the Big Crunch called the Big Bounce. This would have the universe bounce back outwards, creating another Big Bang. While cool, this idea is absolutely horrifying to me. First of all, if our universe could end in a Big Bounce, what's to say the universe, or universes, before ours also ended in a Big Bounce? How many universes have already lived their full life? Terrifying, but it can get worse. The Big Freeze is an event where the universe expands so far out that there isn't enough matter to form more celestial objects. Also, the universe will have so much dark energy that we cannot see any of the closest galaxies. Just a big, dark void. What a sad reality. But whichever reality is true, the universe collapsing won't be the death of us. It'll probably be something else. So, what did you think?
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!